tell me something about you, Vanshita.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vanshita Soni. I am basically from Banasa. I am third year electronics communication engineering student in the Institute of Technical Studies, Udaipur. I scored 8.8 GPA in 10th standard, 80% in 12th standard, and my currently aggregate score is 92%. Coming towards my technical skills, I have done coding in C, C++, Python, and I also explored the field of web development. As a front-end development, I learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap as a CSS framework. And backend, currently I'm a beginner and I'm learning Node.js. I'm also familiar with the concept of IoT and Arduino programming. By using IoT, I made several projects like a prototype of smart dustbin, and currently I'm working on SIS problem statement solution. Coming toward the extracurricular activity, I love dancing, and right now I'm a head coordinator of student dance club, and I also love painting and an art called mandala. That's all about myself. Thank you.
Okay. What kind of things you have done in the electronics field?
I learned
related to the technical aspects.
I learned IoT and Arduino programming.
क्या होता है IoT? क्या होता है, Vanshita?
It's basically a combination of hardware and software in which we integrate some hardware parts into the software part.
Okay. So where the IoT is useful normally, in what kind of activities we can use IoT?
It's used for automation. Actually.
It's used for automations. Okay. And what kind of automation is all about? What kind of automation is all about?
It's basically used in refrigerators and all kind.
बस रेफ्रिजरेटर में यूज होता है और कहीं यूज नहीं होता है.
Just like we made a prototype of smart dustbin in which we use IoT in when someone is come, they open the dustbin. So that is a example of automation.
Okay. For example, if you talk about automation in the AC, which we normally use, right? So AC में किस तरीके का automation होता है? मतलब किस चीज का automation होता है AC के अंदर?
Too easy things.
AC में automation होता है कि नहीं होता है? होता है? किस चीज का होता है automation?
I'm not familiar.
Okay. ये जो हम आपसे Google Meet पे आपका वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू ले रहे हैं, is it also a part of the automation?
Yes, I think so.
कि नहीं है? कि automation है, क्या है?
I think automation.
Okay, I think you are not sure.
Yeah, it is automation.
Okay. और बेसिकली इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में क्या क्या चीजें आती है वंशिता? कौन कौन से फील्ड कवर होते हैं, क्या क्या चीजें कवर होती है उसमें?
Basically, in electronics there are several sensors and hardware part, software part.
हार्डवेयर, सॉफ्टवेयर, सेंसर्स. ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजी जिसमें इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का यूज ही नहीं है कहीं पे, ऐसी कोई है टेक्नोलॉजी आपके आसपास के, आपके एनवायरनमेंट में, वातावरण में, कहीं जहां पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कोई काम में नहीं आती कहीं पे भी?
I think electronics are in everywhere.
Electronics is everywhere, right? So if somebody has a programming knowledge with electronics, how it is going to benefit those specific candidate?
Sorry sir, you are not audible properly.
किसी के पास इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के साथ प्रोग्रामिंग और कंप्यूटर का नॉलेज भी है, तो उसको किस तरीके से वो बेनिफिट करेगा उसको नॉलेज?
Oh, okay. So if there is
घबराओ मत, कंफर्टेबल कंफर्टेबल। आप अच्छे तरीके से आंसर दे रहे थे, घबराने की क्या जरूरत है? इतना मुश्किल क्वेश्चन थोड़ी पूछा मैंने, एकदम इजी है। मैं ये पूछ रहा हूँ
they have
आपको
and everywhere.
आपको प्रोग्रामिंग भी आती है और आपको इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का नॉलेज भी है, तो उससे आपको क्या फायदा है एज ए इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्टूडेंट?
Okay, so they have a choice to go a hardware field or software field. Means they have to choice if he has a knowledge of he has a knowledge of software perfectly, then he have to go in IT field, and the hardware, then you should go in core field, means hardware.
नहीं, अगर कोई कैंडिडेट ऑटोमेशन फील्ड में जाता है, ऑटोमेशन में जहाँ पे कॉम्बिनेशन है हार्डवेयर सॉफ्टवेयर का, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? मतलब वो फील्ड क्या कहा जाएगा उस फील्ड को आप?
I'm not sure.
ओके, चलो अच्छी बात है। आपको गवर्नमेंट जॉब में नहीं जाना? दूसरे लोगों की तरह काफी लोग कहते हैं हमें गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना है, गेट गेट करना है, फिर गवर्नमेंट जॉब में जाना है।
I'm not thinking about it.
ओके, यू डोंट लाइक द गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स?
I like the government job, but still, right now, I'm not thinking about it.
So you want to go for IT field only, or you want to go for the electronics field also?
I want to IT field. I want to work.
IT में पैसा अच्छा मिलता है ऐसा?
I have the knowledge of software. So basically, I am currently learning web development. So
तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक के बच्चे को मतलब प्रोग्रामिंग सीखने में दिक्कत ज्यादा होती है कि ऐसा कुछ दिक्कत नहीं होती, आराम से सीख सकता है?
it's up to you, sir. How
how you take it?
You are
In
taking
which
things.
you have done your projects?
Both things, sir. Hardware and software also.
तो ज्यादा आपको कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट करने में ज्यादा मजा आया?
Both, sir. If now I'm currently using I'm currently working on SIS problem statement, and I learn it, and
okay, you are also working on a SIH part, right?
Yeah.
ठीक है वंशिता, nice talking to you, right?
Doing today?
Good afternoon, sir. I'm good.
Okay. Can you tell me some any two subjects in which you feel that you are good in?
Control system and signal system.
Control system and
Signal and system.
signals and system. Okay. Is there any similarity between these two?
I don't think so.
Can you name some of the contents in these subjects? What are the contents in these subjects? Signal system में आप क्या पढ़ते हो?
Z transform, linearity, homogeneity, properties of signal, density, convolution, and in control system, open control system, closed loop control system, diagrams, signal programs.
So कई application है इसकी किसी industry में? Do you find certain application of these subjects in any of the industries?
I think control system.
Okay. We do not use signal system in industries?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Okay, chalo, forget it. Talk about IT. I was hearing your interview and I found that you are good in IT and you like to work in coding and everything, right? And आपने कहा ये जो हम online mock interview ले रहे हैं, this is also part of automation. Is that an automation?
I'm not sure about it.
Okay, you are not sure. This is simply part of networking. Automation means something which is automatically done for you, right? And you started very well, but later on you like you stopped and I found you nervous, started getting nervous, right? Why that nervousness came? Because of lack of knowledge. ऐसा नहीं लगा?
It's my first interview, that's why.
फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू तो ठीक है, आपने अपना जो इंट्रोडक्शन बोला, आपने अपना ऑब्जेक्टिव बोला, my objective is to get into certain company wherein I can contribute or everything, right? So that was good. You started well, but somehow you got nervous and फिर उसके बाद आपका आंसर ही नहीं आया. तो थोड़ा सा उसके लिए आंसर कब आते हैं? मुझे पता है ऐसी फील आ रही थी जब कि मैं आपके वाइवास लेता था ना, when you are not able to speak up. So that same feeling I am getting right now also. So to improvise these, you need to work upon your technical skills. This is the truth, right? And you said IoT. What is IoT?
It's a combination of hardware and software.
No, that is not IoT. That is Internet over Things. Or you are placing certain data over internet. That's it, IoT. And what is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of a hardware and a software. Let me give you an example. Let's say you are placing certain sensors in Fateh Sagar, and you want to monitor everything like safai hui nahi hui, turbidity, humidity, temperature, pH, everything across Fateh Sagar Lake, right? So every day, would you go there and physically see all the parameters? Or is it possible to see all the parameters at your PC?
Yes.
Is it possible or not?
It is possible.
So this is possible through which technology?
By using IoT.
Exactly, that is IoT. So in IoT, you are you are fetching all the details over internet and viewing it at anywhere from any place, right? And what about your projects? What kind of projects you have done up till now?
Smart dustbin, and I am working on SI's problem statement solution, which I selected in internal.
What is that problem? Sorry.
SI's problem statement.
Uh-huh.
Risk monitoring system in cold storage supply.
Okay, so exactly what we are going to do in that?
We monitor the real-time location, temperature, humidity in a food cold supply chain. We made a control.
Okay, and you will be sending all the data over internet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great.
By using GPS and GPRS.
So which technology, which processor or which controller you have used in that?
That's 3288.
Sorry?
8 mega 3288 IC.
अच्छा 8 mega 328. क्या है 8 mega 328? थोड़ा सा डिटेल बताओ. 8 mega 328 क्या है? कंट्रोलर है, प्रोसेसर है?
Controller. It's a microcontroller that is used in Arduino. Firstly, we use Arduino board. Then when we made a PCB, then I'll use IC.
Okay, great.